Dumpster rental service in Texas. Are you tackling a big cleanup, a home renovation, or a construction project in Texas? Managing all that waste can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Insta-Dump offers a reliable and efficient dumpster rental service in Texas, making waste disposal hassle-free and convenient for homeowners, contractors, and businesses. Our team ensures timely delivery and pickup so you can focus on your project without worrying about the mess. With sizes ranging from small to large, we have the perfect dumpster to fit your needs. The best part? We prioritize customer satisfaction, providing fast, flexible, and affordable solutions tailored to your timeline. Whether you're doing a spring cleaning project, landscaping overhaul, or clearing out years of clutter, Insta-Dump is your go-to dumpster rental service in Texas. For contractors and builders, we offer dependable service to keep your worksite clean and efficient. We're proud to serve communities across Texas with eco-friendly disposal practices that help keep our state beautiful. With Insta-Dump, you can trust that your waste is handled responsibly. Ready to simplify your cleanup? Call Insta-Dump today at 940-231-6399 and experience Texas's best dumpster rental service. Let's tackle your mess together.